Creating generational wealth means just that. It's the definition. It means creating generational wealth. That doesn't mean saving up a bunch of money in a 401k and an IRA and then in retirement withdrawing that at 3%, 4%, whatever the percentage until you don't have a whole lot left, maybe until you're 85, 95 years old, only to leave a few $100,000 to your children. So I'm seeing a lot of people online, these tweet financial gurus that talk about creating, generational wealth. And they use that term like it means just get a lot of money. Let me be clear. Generational wealth, by definition, means that it will last for generations. It's not going to last for generations if you're using it in your retirement. If you want to create generational wealth, meaning you're leaving your children and your family an amount of money that will seemingly never expire, then you have to do things completely different. Your financial plan, your path is completely different. Saving in a 401k, saving in an IRA, let's call it $2 million, only then to withdraw 4% each year for the next 20, 30 years, however long your lifespan is, to only leave a couple of $1,000s to your children is not generational wealth. Yes, you helped them out, but you didn't create generational wealth. You just left them a little bit of money. Generational wealth means you've built enough assets, and it could be also in stocks, that you never touch the principal, and that whatever amount that is, when you leave it to your children, that they have enough money that they never touch the principal. And in that ideal scenario, real, true generational wealth, the one that we're searching for, is a wealth that where the assets or the wealth itself that you've accumulated actually generates additional wealth beyond what your kids can spend. You save, $40 million in a real estate portfolio. That real estate portfolio, the cash flow pays for the children, pays for you, and allows you to actually acquire several more properties every single year. So that 40 million ends up being 50 million, 60 million, 100 million, 200 million over the generations. That's generational wealth, and it's a completely different mindset than just saving for retirement.